Hey, it's Steve Sparkman from Holley. We're here at the 2023 SEMA convention. We're here to show off all our new products. Let's check them out. We have our Holley oil pan with the Rock Guard shield. This is great for off-road applications. We have our AEM 400 liter per hour fuel pump. We have our Holley Coyote high ram intake manifold. This is also available in low ram. And then we have our C6 and Z06 Corvettes. Replacement rotors from Bear. These rotors are great, they're slotted. So we got some great new products from Classic Instruments. We have our 69 through 70 Mustang replacement gauge clusters. We have our G-Body GM, so this fits the Monte Carlos, El Caminos, and Malibus. Detroit Speed, we got this really tricked out battery tray. Instead of pulling your battery off the top, your battery now can come off the side. This is our 5-inch digital dash. It's a great replacement for that little 3.5-inch digital dash that you get. Then we have our Brothers Truck, a rear bracket kit for the square body trucks. What this does is takes your rear bumper and sucks it in for a nice clean look on your truck. All right, so these are some of our upgraded programmers and handhelds for the new Ford Bronco, the new GMC pickup truck, the 5.3 and the 6.2. We also got our Duramax diesel. So make sure you check the website. We have a lot more and different years it fits, new and old. Also from Hooker Blackheart, we have our new Polish LS exhaust manifold. This is a nice clean look. It basically polishes up all the castings, great for hot rod applications. We have the LT Polish exhaust manifold for your Gen 3 Hellcat swaps. The Hellcat is a front sump. This now converts it to a rear sump, so you can do those swaps in your classic cars. We have our Godzilla bell housing here. This is a great application to bolt up a manual transmission, such as the TKO or the TKX Tremec transmission. From Detroit Speed, we have our FN 988 center section here. This is an 8.8 internals that goes into the 9-inch rear ends. From Holley, we have our Godzilla Swap front drive accessory. Basically, it makes the swaps into old muscle cars nice and easy. Basically, it tightens everything up. So from Dynon, we have our new carbon fiber air intake system for the BMW M2, M3, and M4. Over here at APR, we have our replacement turbos for the 2018 Audi S4, S5. Also from Dynon, we have our new upgraded air intake system for the 20 through 24 GR Supra and also the Z4. 2024 new engineered product from SEMA is our Holley Easy Level Sending Unit. This is a great upgrade if you're putting aftermarket gauges in a car. No more adjusting the float arm or the float. Also from Holley, we have our Godzilla cast manifold now. It's a great application to get rid of that plastic intake. So from Speartech, we have our LT4 with a 10-speed transmission. Basically, if you're doing this swap into an old school hot rod, this wire harness is super clean and simple to install. From DSE, we also have our Speed Kit 2 for the 64 through 70 Ford Mustangs, and also the 60 through 65 Ford Falcons and Mercuries. So also new from Holley is our Sniper 2 unit, upgrade from Sniper 1. A little different body, kind of gives it more of that 4150 carburetor kind of look to it. Improve throttle linkage, basically makes that pedal effort a lot easier. Improve ECU location, instead of being in the front, it's now on the side. And we clean up the wiring by putting it all in the back to keep it a sleek look. And then also we have an upgraded PDM for your Sniper installs. Basically makes wiring a simple plug and play. Then you can upgrade to the Hyperspark unit, which is the ignition box. You have your coil, and then you have your Hyperspark distributor, and you can control all your timing from your ECU on your little handheld. And then finally, we just came out with this trans control now with the Sniper units. Last piece of the puzzle, if you're going from Sniper 1 to Sniper 2, we have a conversion harness for you. If you want to learn more about all our new Holley products, please check out Holley.com.